Hello everyone, welcome to Adnan's Garage. Today I have with me Volvo V50. This is my friend's car and he had problem with acceleration. He had the OBD error P2008 and the car was kind of powerless. So when he was trying to accelerate, so the car was not picking up really fast. It was like slow in acceleration and it had like less power. So we figured out there is this thing called Intake Manifold Solenoid that you have to change. It gives error P2008. It can give another error, but if you have this kind of problem in Volvo V50, so you need to change this one. This is called Intake Manifold Solenoid, and what you need to do is remove these four T25, 1 and 2 and third one here and fourth one a bit inside. So you need to change, remove these ones, remove these two wires, and then these four kind of slung or pipes, I think they are with air, so you need to remove them. But remember the sequence, take a picture or mark the sequence, remove them, take this out, change it, and check with the OBD again. So P2008 will be gone and car will have power again. My friend said he bought it for around like $38, used one, but you need to check if this part fits your car. So ask whatever the mechanic or the experts, like what number fits your car. And I think it's the same with many Volvo V50 different variants. So and change this, check with OBD again, and the error should be gone and the car should have power again and acceleration should be smooth. So you don't need to do much. Anyone can change this by themselves. You only need Torx T25 and some skills. So thank you, see you again, bye.